Hello. Okay. In our pre-session today, we will be doing squats or super brain yoga. So you have two options. You can just sit and do breathing, or you can do the super brain yoga practice. On your own, we will be doing 20 repetitions and try to do 3 rounds. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last round. एक आखिरी round और कर लो. Do as much as possible. You don't have to push too much. If it's comfortable for you, only then do it. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And settle down, relax, आराम से बैठ जाओ, आंखें बंद कर लो. Let's do box breathing for 2 minutes. Breathe out completely. For box breath, breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. In, continue. Hold. Breathe out. hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, and relax. So we will imagine and assume that our May month starts from today because आज मंडे है तो हमारा जो पिछले 2 दिन हुए वो हमारे अप्रैल का कंटिन्यूएशन था। आज से हमारा मई महीना शुरू हो रहा है। तो मन में ऐसे संकल्प लेंगे कि मई महीने में हम थोड़ा ज्यादा बेहतर अपनी हेल्थ के ऊपर ध्यान ले सके, जितना पिछले महीने में किया उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा। वी हैव टू टेक दिस इंटेंशन दैट इन द मंथ ऑफ मे वी विल डू slightly better than what we did in April. And let's pray that we are able to, or we have that strength to be able to follow these things. Okay? Hold your hands for the prayer.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Welcome to Monday and week 1. Keep sitting and start to move left to right. बैठे बैठे left to right twist करो. Continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Relax, sit in Vajrasan if you can. वज्रासन में या सुखासन में जो भी आपको ठीक लगे बैठो. एंड वी विल डू भस्त्रिका टू स्टार्ट विद. Loose fist in front of our shoulders, elbows close to the body. If you do not have any medical condition, blood pressure, eye problem, you push a little bit extra. Otherwise, you do it simple and easy. Ready? Breathe out completely. Together for Bhastrika. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in 9, in 10. Breathe out completely. Hold your breath. Pull the muscles around your anal region in. गुदद्वार के आसपास जितने मसल्स है उनको अंदर खींचो. मूल बंद और कीगल्स होल्ड. And ready for round 2. Loose fist in front of our shoulders, elbows close to the body, together for Bhastrika. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Pull the muscles around your anal region in. Pull the muscles around your stomach region in. पेट के आसपास के मसल्स को भी अंदर खींचो इस राउंड में. When you pull the muscles in your stomach, that's second bandh. Mool bandh. And this is called the Udyan bandh, the stomach one. पेट को अंदर खींचना है ताकत लगा के. And relax. And the last one, Bhastrika, together. Breathe out first completely. For Bhastrika, breathe in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Again, apply your lock. सांस छोड़ो, सांस रोको. गुदद्वार अंदर, पेट अंदर. ताकत लगाओ, जोर से खींचो. Hold it as long as possible. जितना हो सके उतना लंबा होल्ड करना है. And release. Let's all stand up. Welcome to Monday. We will also start with, like, let's say a little bit of music and movement, and then we'll do our asana practice. Nice, simple, easy walk to begin with. Let us put some music on. Do as much as possible. Jitna ho sake, आराम से movement करते रहना है. The whole idea of week 1 is what? Move as much as possible. Okay. Come on, speed up. Stretch and smile. हाथों को स्ट्रेच करो, बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट चेहरे पे. And hug yourself. Come on. And move like a small kid. And stretch it back. Bigger smile. Come on. Opposite hand. And move left to right. One more time. Stretch it out. Again, change. Move. Come on. A happy kid. छोटे बच्चे जब खुश होके कैसे चलते हैं? One last time. Stretch, 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 and again, move. Bigger smile. And walk again. चेहरे में मुस्कुराहट बनाए रखो बड़ी बड़ी ही एकदम. Do it like an exercise. And punch both your hands. And show me 5 fingers. 5, 5, 5. It's a reminder. Whenever possible, join for 5 minutes. कम से कम 5 मिनट ज्वाइन करना है. And hold. Out, 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 out. Move it. You can try and go down a little bit more. Keep the movement on. Big bright smile on our face. Continue breathing in and out through the nose. Relax. Hands up, one at a time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Move it. It's going to feel a little uncomfortable. Try to break the movement pattern. कुछ तो थोड़ा weird लगेगा, which is okay. Walk and move. Walk and move. Both hands up. And knees up. And relax. Towards the end of the mat, 2 steps. Hands out. In, 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 in. Move it. Side steps. We are trying to activate different region of our body. Speed कम ज्यादा सब चलेगा. Hold your hands, palms facing down. Clap. Come on. Come back center. Take your hands left to right and move your legs. You can keep it simple or you can go down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Good job. बहुत बढ़िया. Pull. Hands same side as the leg. इसका उल्टा करना है. कैसे? Like this. Very good. Same leg, same side hand. जिस तरफ हाथ जा रहे हैं वही पैर बाहर आ रहा है. Hold, opposite side. Hands left, right leg out. Hands right, left leg out. Come on, move it. This is how we break our patterns and make our brain sharper. Hold, same side. Hold, hands behind your back and kick back. Done. And lift your hands, lift your legs up. बहुत ऊपर नहीं उठाना है अगर बैलेंस में दिक्कत हो तो. अगर बैलेंस में दिक्कत ना हो, lift your legs higher. Like this. Or simple. Keep moving. Last 1 minute. पैर जितना ऊपर जाएगा उतना बढ़िया. But balance मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. Keep your balance and then if you're confident enough, then lift up. This is literally as if you're flying. And you smile more. And relax. Okay, that's our sweet little warm up and movements. Now, 2 breaths in, 1 breath out. You can do this walking also. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. पैरों में थोड़ा अंतर and we go left to right again. Simple movement. And relax. Now breathe in, stretch your hands up. Slowly breathe out. Now the idea is to slow down. Very slowly breathe in with your hands up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. इतना धीरे करो कि ऐसा लगे हाथ अपने आप ऊपर जा रहे हैं. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. One last time. And the slowest breathe out that you can do. जितना धीरे कर सकते हैं उतना धीरे. जितना धीरे सांस लेते हैं उतना मन हमारा एकाग्र हो जाता है. The slower you breathe and relax, settle down. The slower you breathe, your mind becomes sharper, calmer, all the good things. Now, sit comfortable and easy. We'll be doing our asanas with our eyes closed. Smile on our face, चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते लेते साथ में करेंगे. Breathe in, take your head up. Breathe out, forward and down. Body rotation, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last time, breathe in. Breathe out. Reverse the direction. Breathe in from the left side. Breathe out from the right. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. One last time. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. From the center, slowly come up. Keeping your eyes closed, lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाए। हो सके तो पूरी मूवमेंट आंखें बंद करके ही करे। ट्राई कीपिंग योर आईज क्लोज थ्रू आउट। Lift your right leg up. Continue to breathe long and deep. Ardha Shalabhasan. Knees straight, toes pointing out. Slowly bring it down. Relax. And left leg. Again, Ardha Shalabhasan. Knees straight, toes pointing out. Long, deep breaths. And let go. Make a fist of your hand. Keep it under your groin region. Join your feet together. दोनों पैरों को जोड़ लो. Lift your knees. Lift your toes. घुटने सीधे, पैरों की उंगलियां बाहर. Keep stretching out. And let go. Hands under your shoulders. You can come up all the way in upward facing dog. पूरा ऊपर उठ सकते हो आप अगर आपका मन करे तो. Or you can do Bhujangasana or you can do Ardha Bhujangasana. Whatever you do, one mandatory thing, which is your smile. Big bright smile on our face. Do it like an exercise. Stretch your lips to the ears and long deep breaths. You also have to practice the smile. It's not easy to smile all the time, but your muscles will get trained and you will naturally feel more positive. And bring it down. Relax. And stretch your hands forward. Eyes are closed. Vipreet Shalabhasan. You can come up and down 5 times. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. You can do one hand, one leg. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. 3. Breathe in, up. 4. Breathe in, up. 5 and relax. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle. Dhanurasana. Lift your head in. Body up. Balance on the stomach region. Tight grip of the hands. हाथों की grip जितना tight करेंगे उतना आपका stretch deeper होगा. Keep lifting up. Up, 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 up. थोड़ा और ऊपर जाने की कोशिश करो. अच्छा. Maintain, stay there. And slowly bring it down. Relax. Makarasan. Bring any leg closer to the chest. Relax your whole body. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़ो. And turn around. Lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. If you can do the transition with your eyes closed, it also helps our brain become more aware of the space. अगर आप आंख बंद करके टर्न करते हो तो हमारा स्पेशल अवेयरनेस भी बढ़ता है थोड़ा. मैंडेटरी नहीं है, अगर हो पाए तो करो. इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी. इफ यू कैन देन डू इट. Prepare for Naukasan or Ardha Halasan. Take a long deep breath in and breathing out, lift up. Slowly bring it down and Pavan Muktasan. Bring your knees closer to the chest. Attempt to take your nose to the knee. Stay there, hold. Do not hold the breath, hold the asan. आसन में रुकना है बट सांसें लेते रहना है लंबी गहरी. And relax, bring it down, let go. Prepare for Setu Bandhasan, heels close to the body, knees pointing up. Lift your waist up, कमर को ऊपर उठाए. Bring it down, relax. Supta Kapotasan, left ankle on the right thigh. Bring your right knee closer to the chest. You can also do Ardha Pavan Muktasan as an alternate. Relax. The other side. Let go and relax. If you focus on your breathing, naturally your asanas become better. अगर आप अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान देंगे तो आपके आसन अपने आप और बेहतर बन जाते. Extend your hands 90 degrees. Turn your head to the right, keep your eyes closed, and take your right knee to the left. Twist and stretch. Continue long deep breaths. Relax the other side. Turn your head to the left. Take your left knee to the right. And relax. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. Shavasana. Let go the control on your body, on your breath and the mind. शरीर, मन और सांसें तीनों पे जो अपना कंट्रोल है वो पूरे तरीके से छोड़ देना है. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy. I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले. मैं स्वस्थ हूं. मैं खुश हूं. Very slowly turn to your right side. With the support of your hands, sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. Keep your eyes closed. वक्रासन, अर्ध मत्स्येंद्रासन. Take your time. नो रश, आराम से करो अपने हिसाब से. क्रॉस योर राइट लेग ओवर द लेफ्ट एंड ट्विस्ट ऑन द राइट साइड. Relax the other side. Cross your left leg or the right. Twist on the left. Sit comfortable and easy. आराम से बैठ जाओ. Stretch your hands up, Parvatasana. Yoga Mudra. Make a fist of your right hand. Hold your right wrist with your left. Move forward and down. Stay there. And slowly come up. For 20 seconds, keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Slowly, you may open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोलो. The mind is the most powerful thing that we have. हमारा मन बहुत ही powerful है और उसी powerful मन के साथ मैं चाहता हूं कि आप एक छोटा सा intention ले. Your mind is so powerful that if you really take an intention, the universe will help you get there. And that intention could be anything that you take. So when you, after the session, go on WhatsApp, type today, we will take an intention for the month of May. How many ever days you feel you should be doing? 15 से ऊपर तो करना ही है, बट 20, 25, 30 जितना आपको लगता है आप करो. बट आज मैंडेटरी जाके व्हाट्सएप पर टुडे लिखना है और वो इंटेंशन लेना है. Intention does not mean that something comes up and you feel bad about it, कि I'm not able to do. Intention means I will make sure that I put all my effort to do and become regular. Okay? And this month we are also going to learn new things starting tomorrow. कल से हम बहुत सारी नई नई चीजें सीखेंगे, but उससे पहले the first and foremost thing is we take intention. Intention does not mean like I remember I used to say promise and everyone was like promise कैसे कर सकते हैं? ठीक है, मत करो promise. इंटेंशन तो ले सकते हैं कि मन में तो इच्छा तो है कि और अच्छे से रेगुलर बने. यस और नो? एटलीस्ट वी हैव दैट फीलिंग दैट आई शुड बी मोर रेगुलर इन दिस मंथ. दैट इज व्हाट इज एन इंटेंशन. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट प्रॉमिस मींस आई विल पुट लाइक ऐसे कैसे आप नहीं आए, आपने प्रॉमिस किया तो नहीं. इट इज जस्ट लाइक mentally you be strong that yes, I will do my best. And it could be anything. It could be 15 days, 20 days, 25 days, 30 days. Absolutely okay. But taking that intention, having that thought in the mind that I will be more regular, makes our life so much more easier. मन से अगर आ गया ना, फिर शरीर सपोर्ट करता है, आसपास के लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं. मन में आया कि नहीं नहीं ठीक है, then it's a problem. Okay? So, month of May, let's take an intention to be more regular. For that, you will be typing today on WhatsApp and we will send you that intention setting poster. You do that. Okay? That at least this much you should do in the start of the month, right? Let's keep our eyes closed. कल से बहुत नई नई चीजें भी सीखेंगे. यार मदर्स डे का वीक है ये अभी आने वाले 10 तारीख को आई गेस मदर्स डे है. तो और बीच में भी इस हफ्ते में कुछ कुछ अच्छे अच्छे सरप्राइजेस प्लान्ड है. आंखें बंद, keep your eyes closed, breathe out completely. Together, breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, continue breathing in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Continue on your own. अपने आप से और 4-5 मिनट ब्रीदिंग कर सकते हैं. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's learn new things in the month of May and make it much better with respect to our health. Okay? Bye bye.